Hello and welcome to our Salem Cruise Lite 273QBXL. It is a 33-foot camper with 2 bedrooms. It comes with a master bedroom and a back bunkhouse as well. So let's take a look at the camper. Here it comes with a double propane tank. It also comes with sway bars, which we will attach when we tow it, and the hitch adjustment as well. That's really great value. Here's the compartment where we keep all the hoses that it will come with, as well as like the sewer hoses and things like that. Electric stuff. There's the slide out. Come to the back. Yes, we also have the slide topper over there. The windows are tinted with a clear tint to help with heat. It'll also come with the chocks and the blocks. On the back here, you have the city water connection. You got the blank tank flush, cable satellite, and up there is the backup camera. It comes with that as well, and we'll show you that later. The outdoor kitchen comes with an electric griddle, a mini fridge, and inside there you can see it also comes with an additional outdoor plug-in cooktop you could do. On the front here is another compartment, and that's where it comes with an outside trash can, a couple of rugs, couple of beach chairs, and the rugs for the outside as well, and the sway bars and other things for you to enjoy in your camper. Here with the steps, we installed this additional handle because this one is too small and it's too dangerous to use when it's slippery outside. So this one, it folds in and out, and it's a lot safer for you to climb the stairs, especially if you have stability issues. There's a retractable awning. And outdoor speakers. Outdoor speakers as well. You also have satellite connection as well as a solar connection on the front. Yeah, it goes further, but we have a house right there, so. As you come inside, on this side, you will have your control panel where you have the water pump, the water heater, lights, exterior and interior, and this is your monitor for the amount of stuff you have in your tanks, whether it's a battery, fresh water, black tank, or gray tank. And in the main living area, this is a 55-inch TV, a Blu-ray player, a fireplace with different type of lighting, comes with a remote control. Here you have, this is your sound system that you can use inside or outside, or both. Here you have some storage. And this is your light switch that is for that ambient lighting right above. If you could see right there. It's really nice to have at night. It's good for movies. Good for movies. In the kitchen over here, you got a countertop, a double sink base, and a three burner range, a little oven as well, and a microwave. Here you have all your storage plates, bowls, things like that. It all comes with. And a very nice size refrigerator and freezer. It's very good for camper, especially. Very nice size. This is the Versa Lounge, and Versa Lounge is means that it's convertible, this whole situation. And here we have pictures that it will come with, and you can see how different ways you can convert these beds into making one giant one or two separate. Like this will open up and sleep 2 people. This will open up and sleep 2 people. So it's really, really big. And underneath there, this one will have coffee maker, toaster oven, vacuum cleaner, a hammock. And here you have, under each of these, we got bins. There's a bin here and a bin on the other side. And that comes with like pots and pans and things. So you really don't need anything. It's ready to go. Also, the way that the lights work here, there is a main light switch, one that it turns everything on, but all the other ones, you could turn them off just by pushing on them. Really easy. I'm 5'2" and I can reach it, so that's good. You can reach it. This is the pantry. It's a big pantry, nice size. Extra storage here. And here is the bathroom. Self-explanatory. Comes with a new toilet. And also, it's a medicine cabinet behind the mirror. Yep. This is the bunkhouse, and as you can see, you have bunk number 1, bunk number 2, bunk number 3, and a couch that opens. And underneath the couch, there's also storage over there. Plenty of storage, and it comes inside. On this side, it comes with a TV, comes with a Blu-ray player. There's a closet over here, and comes with all the bedding, and there's more. This is just what we have in here. But if you look down there, there's USB plugs. So if you're laying on a tub, you can plug in your devices and enjoy it from your bed. Isn't that nice? And don't forget, when you're moving, to take this down, because it's not mounted. It's laying right here, so make sure you take it down. We put ours on the couch. So if you're going to be moving with it, it's going to fall. So make sure you just put your TV back.
Might be.
There's another set of USB over here as well. So you got 4 total in this room. And outlets.
I think there's more.
Are there?
Too.
Ah, I don't know. I don't think so. Welcome to the master bedroom. And over here you have a queen size bed. You got a, well, I forgot how many inches, 47, 43 or something TV. Okay. You got USB on that side. You have USB on this side. And also inside each one of these closets, you got plugs over there. We also have more USBs in there, more extenders. So that's cool. And underneath the bed, also you got a shelf up there. Underneath the bed, there's these bins. There's 4 of them. And they're really great for storage.
And we put a thick mattress top.
Yeah, we got a mattress topper on here too. So everything comes with it. Really great camper. You will enjoy it. We have enjoyed it tremendously. So yeah, if you're interested, give us a call, send us a message. Bye.